Happy birthday, Daddy. That's Daddy, and that's Mommy, and that's me, and that's you, Daddy. Welcome to NijeLsWorld.
What are you making?
Balloons. Oops, sorry. I said it later. Kids, I have something for you. Look, Keith. I put the sticker. Did I say it later? Look at my finger.
What color are those in French?
Rouge, jaune, bleu.
Good
And
job.
it smells pink. A, P, P, Y, E, I, R, T, T, H, D, H, E, A, oops, D. Happy birthday, Daddy. Hmm, I can't.
It's fine.
That's A. That's that's triangle.
Yes.
I made it.
What is that?
For the present, it's a blue sky.
Present for whom?
The Daddy.
For Daddy?
Mm-hmm. This birthday, Casey will come with me.
Why are the kids coming with you?
I don't know. We're going to check. Okay. Look. Mm-hmm. Hot? Hot cloth? Help the red one?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, what do you do? I love the blue sky. How? I can't see. You draw that?
Yeah. There you go.
Watch out! Look, it's broken.
It's fine. It will be dry.
Look, see?
Yeah, it will be dry soon.
Daddy is not pink, he's the Green Ranger.
Yeah.
That's Daddy.
Okay.
How about Daddy's hair?
Okay.
Sorry, Mom. I turned.
Yeah, it's fine. Next. What's next?
He said she's the girl.
Well, Daddy have a long hair, right?
Mom, he's yellow.
I want pink.
No.
Okay.
You're smiling, Mom.
Okay.
We're both dancing. We're dancing in the party elevator. And that's me. I'm blue. Blue is like me. He's touching my hair. That's me. Look at me. Oi. Look at me. I'm dancing with the party. Look at me. I'm doing like this, a robot king.
Yeah.
I'm doing a dancing robot.
Yeah.
And I don't have hair. But my hair. There we go. I have my hair.
Next.
I need to draw the balloons.
Where's Ethan?
So that. Ethan. Ethan is walking.
Okay.
He's dancing in the party elevator. He's like me. There. Did you
Good
like
job.
it?
Yeah, it's really nice.
I'm dancing. I'm dancing in the party elevator. Party elevator. Look at me. I'm a robot. I'm dancing with the. Look at me. I'm dancing with the robot king. I'm dancing. Just so my cards for me, my daddy, and look at the back. And when you see the balloons
Then where's the present?
right here.
Wow.
But I need these crayons. Those are bubble tea. Wow! That's your crayons! Please subscribe to my TV video. Thank you. Bye. Bye.